Hey guys, my name's Neil. This is Jess. We're from Duca Boys, and we're gonna do a DI for the 2012 Diavel oil change. So let's show us some of the tools we have. Go ahead, Jess. Explain what do we got here.
No, we say it.
We got Allen key,
4
4mm,
and 5.
and we have a 5mm right here. Okay. We got a special tool that is required for the Ducati. It's an 8 flute. And then we have 51550. I like to use this brand. And definitely we're using a K&N oil filter because the other one is a little harder to use, and I like this little nut that you can open and close. If you can see it, makes life a little more easier. K&N, and it is a KN53 filter. Okay, so let's get into it and how we're gonna do this oil change.
All right. First thing first, let's do the...
All right, we're getting into it right here. Now, you can do it either in the garage with a stand, or you can do it with the kickstand. I'm gonna show you right here. Proper tools, you see how it's spinning? Right there. Now, we're gonna put the oil drain underneath. You can see it's coming down all the way. Now that is a OEM filter, which requires precision Ducati tool. You can see the oil, she's dirty. Okay. Oil's coming out.
Just let it drain for a few minutes.
Yep. Now, hey Jess, what are we doing right now?
Just opening the drain plug now.
Why are we doing that, bro?
Drain the oil.
Showing you one of the ways that we do it. So, you see how it's going? It's coming down. There we go. You see that? It's a lot of oil there, buddy. Lots and lots of oil from the drain plug. Okay.
No metal shavings.
No metal shavings.
That's good.
It's clean.
That's good.
Before anybody leaves in the comments, pressure washer, we're gonna reuse the old one. Why, Jess? Can you explain to?
It can be used a couple of times.
Okay.
But if you really need to change, you can change it. After 2 times, maybe.
Okay.
We don't have one on hand, so we're just gonna reuse it.
Right. See all the oil's coming down. You can see how dirty the oil is. Okay. We're gonna leave it like this for a few seconds to drain every little. All right, we're tightening the bolt right here. You can see it's tight, and we're just gonna hand tight it, not over tight, because if you over tight it, it's going to strip it. Now we got the K&N filter. definitely we're going to fill it up, one with fresh oil. And the reason why we do that is to allow the oil to be already in the filter. We don't have to wait for it to get in. Now with this oil, you can use mobile as well, but I like to use what Ducati calls for. It's high revving oil. So you can see, we pour it in there. So just enough. Now we're taking that. People are going to ask, why are you doing that? Well, we put a little oil around the gasket to allow a better fitment when we re-screw it back into the motor. Correct? All right. So now, as you can see, we're going to go right back down there. Usually we should always hand tight this, not over tight it. Snug? All right, are we gonna... Right there, you see that? That's the best. Right there. It's tightened. Okay. Now we're gonna put the oil from the top. How many quarts are we putting in here, Jesse?
Calls for 3.5.
Huh?
Calls for 3.5.
Calls for 3.5. I'll help you out here. Go ahead. So, always like to keep the funnel for this. Goes in. As you see, it has a clear area.
The level on the bike is straight.
Okay. Key from the dock. Always check it. Check the level when the bike is straight. But you can definitely see that is where you gauge it from. It's minimum, that's maximum. You got to be anywhere somewhere in between. Are we using the whole thing? There's no handbag. Okay. We're adding the oil, as you can see. We have about, how many? 4 liters that go into this bike. You can always verify it in your service manual. You can do a Google search and it tells you exactly what it is. That's satisfying to see the oil just go in. Look at the color. We got most of it in. All right. Okay. We're going to close the top. We have a little window. I like to call it the Ducati window. clean any excess that oil has kind of came. You can see the oil level. It actually looks pretty full. Hold on. You see how it's going down? Right on the money. Now we're going to start it. Go ahead. We did an oil change in the garage with basic tools that you need. Instead of going to the dealer and spending $365, you could do it for half the price. So definitely check us out.